Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's a really common winter issue Ram owners run into. Why does my truck suddenly say service ParkSense or start giving park sensor errors in the winter? Most of the time it's actually something really simple, snow, ice, or road grime covering the sensors. The parking sensors are those small round circles in your bumper, and they work by sending out ultrasonic signals. If they get covered with ice, slush, or packed snow, the system can't read properly, and the truck may show a ParkSense warning or false alerts. So the first thing to try to do is cleaning the sensors. Use warm water and a soft cloth to gently wipe all the sensors in the bumper. Avoid scraping them with anything hard because they can scratch pretty easily. Another thing that can cause issues is road salt buildup, which is pretty common in winter. Salt and grime can coat the sensors and interfere with how they read obstacles. Now, if the warning started after the minor bumper bump or parking lot tap, it is possible one of the sensors got slightly damaged or pushed in out of position. Even a small hit can affect how they work. And in some cases, if a sensor or bumper has been replaced, the system may need to be recalibrated so the sensors know their exact position again. The good news is most winter ParkSense warnings are just caused by dirt or frozen sensors, and cleaning them usually fixes it. But if the warning stays on even when the bumper is clean and dry, then it's something worth getting the system checked to see if the sensor or wiring connection is starting to fail. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629.